Okay friends, today we discuss the combustion in CI engine, that is a compression ignition engine. So in a compression ignition engine, what happens? Only air will be get compressed at higher pressure and temperature. So over that the fuel will be get injected. Okay, so this compression ignition engine, the combustion of compression ignition engine, that will be taken place in 4 stages, that is ignition delay stage, period of uncontrolled combustion, period of controlled combustion, and finally after burning phase. Okay, so by analyzing the pressure and crank angle graph, we can come to conclusion how this combustion that will be taken place in combustion ignition engine. Okay, so initially we have to start with that ignition delay. So that ignition delay is also called as a preparatory stage. That ignition delay will be the time between the fuel injection and the combustion of the fuel. The time taken by the time taken for the time between the fuel injection and the combustion of the fuel. Okay, so that is what ignition delay. So this will be taken place in 2 stages. The first one is physical delay and another one is chemical delay. So in the physical delay, so the fuel will be get atomized and get vaporized. So atomized means what? As we know that in a combustion ignition, at the top of the cylinder, the fuel will be get sprinkled. So that sprinkled fuel will be get come in contact with that hot air. Due to that, this will be get atomized. So due to atomization, it will be get vaporized. So this atomization and the vaporization, two phenomenon that will be taken place in physical delay. So this will be completely depending upon the nature of the fuel. Okay, second one is that is a chemical delay. So the time taken for the chemical delay, that will be greater than physical delay. So in the chemical delay, what happens? So it will be the, so this will be the, this is time between what, uh, uh, time taken by the fuel to attain the burning stage. So that is the chemical delay. Okay, come to second one, that is a period of controlled combustion. This is also called as a period of rapid combustion. Okay, what happens? So once the air will be get compressed in a compression stroke, so initially what it will be suck, suck into the combustion chamber in a suction stroke, then it will be get compressed in a compression stroke. So at uh, after compressing the air, it will be the pressure and the temperature of the air will be get higher. So at the same time the fuel will be get injected. So as the fuel will be get injected, so it will be taken it will be the burning will be start. So the combustion cannot be controlled, because whatever the, because at the same time when the fuel will be get injected over that air, the air temperature is very high. It is very high and the pressure is also very high. It is about what, 120 to 200 bar. So due to that pressure and temperature, it will be what, it will, the combustion cannot be controlled. Okay, so the third stage is period of controlled combustion. So the period of controlled combustion, so that will be indicating C to D. So C to D, that will be indicating the controlled combustion, where in the it will be initiated at higher temperature, and it will be initiated at higher temperature and pressure. It means what? Here combustion can be controlled by controlling the fuel injection. If we controlling the fuel injection, then easily we can control the combustion. Okay, next the final stage is D, that will be showing after burning phase. So even also the fuel will be stopped, the injection of the fuel will be stopped, even though fuel injection stopped, but burning cannot be stopped. So it will be what leads to after burning phase. So in this after burning phase, there is a decrease in the pressure and the temperature, decrease in the pressure and temperature. So this is about what, combustion in CI engine. So if the ignition delay, initially ignition delay will be get becomes ignition delay becomes very late, so then the ignition delay period will becomes very large, then there is a possibility of knocking. Okay.